Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to everyone. Rajshahi Divisional Online School. How are you everyone? I hope you are all fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. First, I will introduce myself. Teacher Jamtul Thapakandi Government High School. Okay, dear learners, our today's class is class 8 for class 8 English first paper. Before going our topics, I shall discuss some things. Okay, now I see you a thing. What is this? I hope everybody know about it. What is this? What type of things it is? Okay, dear learners, what type of things it is? I know everybody gets it. It is a Nokshikata. Okay. I hope, dear learners, what may our today's topics is, can you guess? Obviously, you can guess our today's topic is Nokshikatha. Our today's topic is Nokshikatha. Everybody be attentive and open your textbook for today. Okay, our today's topic is Nokshikatha. Everybody open your book, page at 3 and unit on lesson 2. Before going our main lesson, I will teach you some keywords and vocabularies also. I prepared for you a vocabulary chart. Okay, dear learners, our first word is artistic. Everybody write down your notebook, okay? And listen to me attentively. Artistic, it is a word. This is adjective. Adjective, and its synonym or means performed, made, performed or made. Artistic. Then our next word, embroidery. Embroidery, this is the noun. Its synonym is artifice বা stitchcraft. Stitchcraft. Traditional, it is also adjective, and its synonym or means is old or long established. Is old. Traditional means is old. Next word, demand. It is a noun word. Its means or synonym, claim. right or requirement. Demand means right or claim. Our last word is pattern. Pattern means, it is a noun also. Pattern means model, balancing. Okay. Pattern means model or balancing. Here, a Nakshikatha is a many patterns. Here is a model also. Okay, dear learners, we are going to our first section A. Everybody open your textbook English for today. Okay, and go to unit on lesson 2 page at 3. We have also Nakshikatha's pictures. Dear learners, look at the book, own book, and we are going to our section A. Look at the picture. Okay, look at the picture and the questions. Then ask and question the answer. Here some questions. Okay, follow it and read it. Our first question: what do you see in the picture? What do you see in the pictures? I hope you know. I write down with you, for you, and everybody of course write down your notebook the question answers. I see in the picture embroidered quilt. Okay, but I see a embroidered quilt in the picture. Okay. What is it called? Already we know it is called a Nakshikatha. Okay. It is, everybody know it. It is called Nakshikatha. Okay, dear learners, our next question, we follow this question. How have you seen it before and where? I know, I hope our question answer is maybe yes. Yes, and where? I have seen it my hometown. My hometown Rajshahi or Moymenshing. Okay, dear learners, next question, our last question is, what do we do with it? এটি দ্বারা কি করি? Maybe its answer, we use it to cover ourselves at night to avoid cold during the winter season. We use it to cover ourselves to avoid cold in winter. Okay, dear learners, already we have completed our all question answers, and then we are going to our section B. My dear learners, attentively listen to me. Here a text about Nokshikatha. Nokshikatha is a kind of embroidered quilt. নকশিকাঁথা হলো এক ধরনের কারুকাজ খচিত কাঁথা. The name was taken from the Bengali word Noksha, which means artistic pattern. নকশিকাঁথা নামটি নেওয়া হয়েছে বাংলা শব্দ নকশা থেকে, যার অর্থ হলো কারুকাজ খচিত নকশা. It is a kind of traditional quilt and is said to be indigenous up to Bangladesh and West Bengal in India. এটি ঐতিহ্যবাহী একটি কাঁথা যেটিকে বাংলাদেশ এবং ভারতের পশ্চিমবঙ্গের ঐতিহ্যের ধারক বলা হয়. The art has been practiced in rural Bengal for countries. দেশের গ্রাম ও এলাকা থেকে এটির অনুশীলন হয়ে আসছে. The name Nokshikatha became popular after the poet Jasimuddin's poems Nokshikathar Math was published in 1929. 1929 সালে জসিমুদ্দিনের নকশিকাঁথার মাঠ প্রকাশিত হওয়ার পরটি নামটি আরও জনপ্রিয় হয়েছে. Traditional kathas are made for family use. Old and new clothes thread are used to make these quilts. ঐতিহ্যগতভাবে এই কাঁথাগুলো তৈরি হয়ে আসছে পরিবারের পুরাতন এবং নতুন কাপড়ে সুই সুতার কারুকাজ দিয়ে. ময়মনসিংহ, জামালপুর, রাজশাহী, ফরিদপুর, বগুড়া and Jashore are most famous for this craft. এই কাঁথাটি আরও বেশি জনপ্রিয় ময়মনসিংহ, জামালপুর, রাজশাহী, ফরিদপুর, বগুড়া এবং যশোর জেলায়. Now it is produced commercially. এখন এটি বাণিজ্যিকভাবেও এক্সপেন্সিভ হ্যান্ডিক্রাফট শপ ইন সিটিজ. এছাড়া শহরের হস্তশিল্পের বৃহৎ সবগুলোতেও এগুলো দেখা যায়. The quilts are now in great demand because of the colorful pattern and design embroidered on them. এই কাঁথাগুলো আরও বেশি চাহিদা হয়েছে কারণ এটি অত্যন্ত রং বেরঙের কারুকাজ দিয়ে ডিজাইন করা হয়. Dear learners, you already gauge and understand our today's text. We have going to our next session, section E. Here some fill in the blanks completed the sentences with clues. Here the box have several type of words. Okay, dear learners, everybody attentively read the fill in the blanks or sentences and try to fill the appropriate word in the box. Here in the box some word: Bengali, patterns, embroidery, ears, fashion, art, rural, designs, quilt, noksha. It is the several type of words, and here 6 sentences, and here every sentences has a or 2 gaps. Our first sentence: Nokshi means artistic. Nokshi means artistic pattern. Okay, everybody. Nokshi means artistic pattern. Patterns. Next, we will go to next sentence. The name was taken from a dash word dash. Bengali word and rural area. Bengali word and rural area. The art next 3 practiced in dash Bengal for dash. Nokshikatha, the art has been practiced in rural Bengal and for fashion. For fashion. Then our fourth fill in the blanks. Nokshikathas are in great demand because our Nokshikathas are now sold in fashion shop বা handicrafts shop. Then our five nong Nakshikathas are in great demand because they are colorful patterns and design. Patterns and design. Our last and sixth nong fill in the blanks. Nakshikathas are a kind of art. Obviously, a kind of arts. My dear student, we are already finished our today's lesson. I have completed this lesson. Everybody learned many things in this lesson. Okay, dear learners, I will give you a homework for you. Everybody obviously completed the homework carefully. Write a paragraph on Nakshikathas. It is a important and very interesting paragraph. So you complete it your home. Okay, dear learners, our today's lessons is end. Bye.